Good morning, friends. As you can see, we have added a webcam to the HL ModTech arsenal. And I just wanted to make this first video post commending my students for using the awesome Google Classroom chat the way I wanted the other day. So I have challenged the students, telling them that if they add comments about what we learned, they have a chance to earn a free 3D print. Yesterday was extremely awesome as we had winners, Tegan, Daniela, and you may notice that she also talked about her module, which is acceptable and awesome, and she even added a good thing, which I mentioned yesterday. And in 6th hour, the winner was Ray. So once again, this participation is a daily thing, and it makes the class much more exciting, and it's fun for you guys to get the cool things. If you are a free 3D print winner, remember you can ask for one from the table, or you can visit Thingiverse and find a item that you think is awesome. Just remember that when you pick an item, always click on the item and check its thing files to make sure that it is a one-piece print. You do have to have your window full screen to note this. If you do it half screen, it won't show up. And this is where you can check to see if it is a one-piece print. If your goal is to get something big and awesome like the 3-cube gears, remember that is going to require you recording a Instagram movie in my classroom using one of my loaner phones and making something that's pretty epic so that you can earn all the work it takes to get one of those and cover the plastic. Thanks for watching, friends, and just remember, you can never go wrong when you're interacting in a classroom.
I'm